Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to visible to other devices connection and sharing personal hotspot on OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first here you have to move on setting. Okay, after you have been moved on setting, you just click on the search bar and search for the visible to other devices. Okay, visible to other devices, this is just move on it. Here is the you can change your name. At first the device name. Okay, this is the visible on other devices, that it will show this one Oppo Misa. So this is my name. Okay, if anyone see that this is the hotspot name of this person or this device. Okay, so I have written my mobile phone name and my name. Okay, so that others will be easily can understand that this is she. Okay, and here is the security personal, that you can set the WAP none personal 3 to, you can select from here any of WAP. Okay, so on the down is the password. You can change the password if you want to change the password. Here is the password. Okay, and here is the AP band, megahertz band. So you can select from here 2.4 or 5G. Okay, so on the down is the visible to other devices, and I have activated. And if you want to off this one, you just click on this icon, it will be deactivate. And if you want to on this visible to other devices, you just click on this icon, it will be activate, and other can see your device. Okay, like Oppo Misa. Okay, just click on this icon, it will be safe. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.